How many of you guys use walking as part of your daily fitness regimen? I know I do, and it's one of the best things you can do to improve your health and ultimately improve your life. So let me tell you about a few different benefits that walking does for you. First one, walking really helps to clear your mind, especially after a long work day. I used this strategy when I was working in Pakistan. So my job, I had a lot of stress. I would finish work and my head would just be super foggy, and it's hard to think straight. So what I would do is I would come home and I would just get I use a Fitbit. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. But I use a Fitbit and I would walk for 1 hour straight. So what this does is, first, I set a goal. I set a 1 hour goal of walking, and I just listened to a podcast while I was walking. And by the end of that hour, I totally forgot about all the stresses and drama that was going on during the day. And I can have the rest of the evening to myself and just be in totally happy spirits. So next I want to talk about using a Fitbit or fitness tracker with whatever you want to do. They have Fitbit, Garmin, there's many different kinds. My personal preference is Fitbit because it's easy to use and I really love their products. So what a fitness tracker does for you is it allows you to hold yourself accountable. So what the fitness tracker tracks would be your steps, your heart rate, your calories, and it also can track your individualized exercise depending on the model that you have. So if you're just going to get the basic model, using the step counter is going to be very beneficial for you. So most people, they would recommend roughly 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day. Fitbit has their algorithm set at 10,000 steps per day. So I generally like to follow 15,000 steps per day, as this is kind of a more advanced version, but you can also cater to whatever fitness level that you're doing. So let's give an example with the Fitbit. Okay, so say your goal is just the standard Fitbit algorithm of 10,000 steps. So the power of Fitbit, okay, say you do your normal daily walking, you work, you go to lunch, you walk around at the office, you do daily stuff. So you get home, you see that your Fitbit is at 7,300 steps. So you know in your head, I need to get 2,700 more. So that's going to be used as a force of motivation. So you're going to make sure that however you need to do it, walk around the neighborhood, take your dog for a walk, any way you need to do it, you're going to get those 2,700 steps. So over time, these positive habits are really going to pay off, and you're going to notice it. The next benefit of walking I want to discuss is weight loss. So a lot of people have been using walking for many years as a great way to lose weight. So there are a few different reasons why walking is so beneficial for weight loss. The first reason is very easy to do, and most people can do it because it's very easy on your joints, and it doesn't take a whole lot of effort. It just takes a little bit of a time commitment. The next point is that walking really helps with your circulation and your digestion. So let's say, for example, you walk first thing in the morning. That is really going to help you get that daily bowel movement and make you feel a lot better, and therefore make you increase your productivity for that day. When I train clients and they ask me, what's the most effective way to lose weight? I always start by telling them you need to walk. And they always give me this perplexed look, like I'm a little bit crazy. But then I explain to them and they say, oh, that really makes sense. So what I usually tell my clients is just to walk for 20 minutes straight, outside of their regular walking activities. Then we will increase that to 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. I'm a very big proponent in walking, and I really urge you to do the same. So I hope you gained a little bit of value, and I'll see you in the next video.